Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Sadiq and today I'll be talking about the negative effects of social media. Let's imagine a society in which the warmth of interpersonal communication define our ties rather than the screens that we carry in our hands. A society in which the quality of our interactions rather than the likes or shares determine our values as individuals. Today we explore the wide world of the negative effects of social media, a fascinating and intricate environment where technology and humanity collide. Social media has become a vital component of our lives in the digital age. It has completely changed how we connect, communicate, and use information. However, its indisputable advantages come with serious consequences that influence our attitudes, actions, and our sense of self. Let's start by recognizing social media's undeniable ability to promote connections. It has made it possible for us to communicate with loved ones anywhere in the world by bridging boundaries. Social media websites like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter have grown into online marketplaces where people share ideas, make friends, and communicate with others by creating communities. A conflict exists though. In the midst of the likes and comments, the more closely connected we are online, the more alone we feel in real life, which shouldn't be the case. Secondly, let's now examine how social media affects the mental health. Anxiety over missing out on anything, constant scrolling, and the pressure to present an ideal representation of ourselves have created a condition called social media anxiety. Overuse of social media has been linked in studies with low self-esteem, sadness, and feeling of loneliness. Many people feel inadequate and unworthy as a result of their desire of likes and followers as a proof of their worth, which is really wrong. Research conducted by the University of Pennsylvania revealed that the excessive use of social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter is associated with the increased feelings of loneliness and depression. The study found that participants who limited their social media usage to 30 minutes per day reported significantly lower levels of loneliness and depression compared to those who used social media as usual. This indicates a clear correlation between social media overuse and negative mental health outcomes. Furthermore, let's also take into consideration how social media affects public attitudes and actions. The emergence of influencer culture has influenced our consumption behaviors and ambitions by hiding the distinction between the fact and fiction. Social media has a significant role in influencing society standards and principles, influencing anything from lifestyle trends to body image ideals. But the carefully selected structure of internet information frequently hides the truth about life, creating unreasonable expectations and disappointments. To these negative effects, I've come up with two solutions that can be taken into consideration. First is digital literacy program. It includes implementing educational initiatives to teach users, especially youths, about responsible social media use. Focus on critical thinking, fact-checking, and understanding platform algorithms. Second is positive online communities. This includes fostering supportive and inclusive spaces on social media platforms that will promote meaningful interactions, discourage toxic behaviors, and showcase diverse representations. In conclusion, social media has clearly transformed how we connect and communicate, but its impacts are complex and broad. As we navigate through the digital environment, let us not forget how important authenticity, balance, and mindfulness are. Let's work to build genuine relationships on and offline as well. And let's use social media to empower ourselves and empower people rather than validate them. As we are concluding, let us bring with us a fresh understanding of the impact that social media has in our lives. Thank you and see you again.